Welcome back to video number 4 in the series of alternative foods to bring backpacking. And this one, I think, is one of my favorites. And if you are not watching these in order and you just happen to bounce into this video months from now, if you look in the description to this video, I will leave a link to the playlist. I believe, if my planning is correct, I'll have 6 videos total on different foods that can replace some of your old standard backpacking meals or ingredients. So this one here is what can you bring to replace Nutella? Now I watched, I don't know what video it was, what thru hiker it was last year, but in a bunch of his videos he kind of like took out this thing of Nutella and was saying how he was living on it. I've seen it in other backpacking menus. And first of all, if you're looking to transition to plant-based and vegan meals, it's not vegan. The other thing that's in there, if I could just jump up on a soapbox for a moment, and that is it's full of palm oil. And I'm a middle school teacher, and I think it was 3 years ago I had a student that did a presentation for me on palm oil and just the destructive impact it has on some of the world's rainforests and animals and local economies and et cetera, et cetera. And ever since that presentation, I have really been looking for palm oil and the ingredients of different things I buy and trying to avoid it. So if you don't happen to know anything about that, take a quick Google search today on, palm oil and impact on orangutans. Just start there. So, all right, off the soapbox. Now, I was hoping to hold up a jar of Nutella, but we don't really have Nutella. But then all of a sudden I realized I do. I have in my hiker box, I had this little sample of Nutella there. So what can you do instead of eating Nutella on the trail? Here is my recommendation. It is chocolate tahini. That's right, chocolate tahini. Now, I can only find this in one store near me every once in a while, and even when I went back to that store, it's like 45 minutes away from me, but every once in a while, if we're driving by, we'll stop into the store. And I've only found it a couple of times, but if you do look on Amazon, it is a very reasonable price to be ordered from Amazon. Sometimes small little food things on Amazon cost a lot, but this one is a decent price. And so tahini. And so what I'll use instead of Nutella, what I'll use sometimes instead of peanut butter is tahini. And traditionally someone will take something like a tortilla, throw some peanut butter on there, throw some tortilla on there, throw some Nutella on I lost it. So someone might take out a tortilla, slap some peanut butter on there, or they might slap some Nutella on, or they might slap both on, and that becomes a quick, easy lunch. It's a great standard backpacking lunch. And so instead of slapping peanut butter or Nutella on there, slap some of this on here. Now, there is one ingredient in here that oftentimes on this channel you'll hear that I don't bring much of, and there is powdered sugar in here. So it's basically sesame seeds, powdered sugar, and cocoa. So if you are okay taking some refined sugar with you, this is going to be good stuff. Now, just looking at the nutrition of it, and I'm going to get to in a minute after the nutrition what I put mine on. So just taking a look at the nutrition for a moment, you're going to see that tahini is on the left, Nutella is on the right, and I will say that the numbers that you're looking at is not for chocolate tahini. So if this was actually chocolate tahini, you're going to end up with some more calories and carbs because of the added sugar. But you can I'm not going to really go through this, I'm just going to flash these up on the screen. You can kind of get a sense of the difference between the two. I think the difference between the protein is remarkable. So again, the tahini is on the left, the Nutella is on the right, and also when you take a look at the vitamins, again, tahini is on the left, the Nutella is on the right. And again, if you really want to go through it, press pause on the video. And a big difference in the minerals. So again, tahini is on the left and Nutella is on the right. And you'll see a big difference there. What I put the tahini on is this right here. And I'm not sure if this is a national brand. It's from Joseph's. But the reason why I choose these over regular tortillas is because it's made with flax. And so you do end up with some nutrients that you typically would not have in your normal tortillas. Also, if you're used to just eating tortillas, like especially the wheat ones, you know how incredibly soft and pliable they are? This is still soft, but it is a little bit more of a kind of like rustic tasting. I don't know exactly what that means, but hopefully you kind of get my point there. So it's not this squishy, soft sort of bread. It is more, I don't know what, it's a different texture, basically. So if you are looking for an alternative to Nutella and you're looking for something a little bit more nutritious and different, I highly recommend the chocolate tahini spread. I will leave a link to this in the description below. And warning, 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 it is an Amazon Associates link, so if you buy it, I might earn a couple of pennies, which I am going to use to fill my tank with gas and do some miles up north on the Appalachian Trail this summer. So, chocolate tahini instead of Nutella.